Hello, my name is Ami Hossein Jamalian. I am an electronic engineer. Okay, this session I want to talk about the momentary fixed circuit. Okay, let's see what will happen. We have 4 different softwares, as you can see. PLCSIM Pneumatic version or simulation pneumatic circuit, factory I/O, TVTO, and PLCSIM. Okay, so I describe this circuit. This circuit working like a RS flip-flop in electronics, just by one pulse. Y1 set on and we pushing S2, Y1 reset, one pulse for set by S1 and one pulse for reset by S2. Okay, you can see the PLC inputs and outputs diagram in PLCSIM. S1 working as an I0 input and S2 working as an I1 input, Q0 working as a Y1 output. You can see Y1. This is 5 two-directional control valves, magnet solenoid and spring rating, double acting cylinders, 2 follow control valve with check valves. Okay, we have 2 push buttons, start button 1 and start button 2. S1 working as an input, I0, and S2 working as the input, I1. You can see these push buttons in the PLCSIM too. This is input section, I0 working as S1 and I1 working as S2. This is output Q0 working as a Y1 as you can see. Okay, S1 I0, Y1 Q0, S2 I1 and reset Y1. Okay, let's describe the circuit in factory I/O. I used a stop blade, this situation between 2 conveyors, as you can see. When double acting cylinder pushing out or Y equal A plus, you can see this stopping blade going on or going out, and when Y equal I minus, this is the blade going down. Okay, you can see one electrical box with 2 push buttons, 2 conveyors, conveyor 1, conveyor 2, and 1 stop blade between them. Okay, let's see what will happen. When I push this one, you can see this circuit working as a pulse and Y1 going to be set. Okay, you can see Y1 or Q0 going to set, Q0 going to set, Y1 turning on, and Y equal A plus. Okay, let's see what will happen. When Y equal A plus, this is the blade going out. Okay. And now I want to reset Q1. Okay, reset. Let's see again. Set. Reset. Okay. You can see from this view. Set. I used this setting for better understanding. You can see this way the close circuit, Y1 going to turn it on, and Y equal A plus, then you can see this the blade pushing out. Okay, and Y equal A minus, A plus, Y equal A minus. For example, we can use to divide it or separate to different places between conveyors. We can see, as you can see in this factory I/O. Okay, the side turning on. You can see the box. A plus, it can't go. A minus. Okay, from other view, A plus. A minus. A plus. A minus. Okay, thank you very much for your interest. You can see more than 119 simulation in my LinkedIn group. Furthermore, you can see more than 130 simulation in my YouTube channel. Thank you and goodbye.